Let's take a look at the Excel function take. It helps you extract a set of rows from your data. Here we have a table with 20 rows. Let's extract the first 5 rows using the take function. We begin by writing take. The first parameter is array, where we can select the data from A2 to D21. The next parameter is rows, where we will write 5 as we want to extract the top 5 rows. And there you have the top 5 rows. Now, in case we wanted to get the last 5 rows, we will write -5 instead of 5. As I change the 5 to -5, we start seeing the last 5 rows. Now there's another parameter called column. Let's look at how that works. We'll write the formula from scratch. For the array, once again, I will select the entire data set. This time I want to display only the top 4 rows. So we will write 4. And for columns, we only want to display the first 3 columns. Therefore, we'll write 3. Now, as we look at the result, we feel that more than the order IDs, it will be more useful to display the units sold. So we should display the last 3 columns and not the first 3. To do that, we can change the columns from 3 to -3. And as I do that, we see the details of the first 4 rows and last 3 columns. Now let's look at one last example of take. In this example, we want to list 5 rows with highest units sold values. So the first step is to sort the data. We will write the sort function. Array is the data from A2 to D1. Sort index will be 4 as the column we want to sort is the 4th column. And -1 for descending. This is the sorted data. And now we can write the take function. So the first parameter take function expect is the array. This result of sort can be the array for the take function. I'll write take just before the sort function. Open bracket. And for array, we already have the result of this sort function. Go to the end, press comma. The number of rows will be 5. Close the bracket. We have the top 5 rows by unit sold displayed here using both the sort and take functions. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe to our channel to access more such useful videos. Till next time.